If you're facing the annoying disk crisis, protect it. Where or when trying to format your USB drive or pen drive, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix write protection issue and format your USB flash drive. Before we jump into the solution, let's quickly talk about what the disk write is protected error actually means. Write protection is a feature that prevents data from being written or modified on a USB flash drive or SD card. This feature can be activated in several ways: a physical switch on the USB drive or card, system level settings within Windows or Mac OS, malware, or errors that look the drive. So if you're seeing this, it means that some setting is blocking you from making two changes to the drive. Now let's go over to the steps to remove write protection and format the drive. Now first thing we can do is open command prompt, run as administrator. Type in sfc space /scan now and make sure to complete the verification process. Now let's uninstall some updates that could be the issue on Windows. Now let's go to the settings and go to Windows Update and go to update history and make sure to find the malicious update and simply click on uninstall update. Now, if you cannot find the option to uninstall update on the update history, go back to the Windows Update section and tap on uninstall updates. And you can find here ways to simply uninstall the updates. And that's it. Those are some ways to simply fix or format write protected flash drive USB.